Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. As you can see, there is a continuous upside we have seen in the natural gas price, and the two patterns are forming, opposite U patterns are forming. Okay, a level of 3.260 is a strong level at this particular level, and chances can be high pattern is created. We can see a level of 3.37, and from there it can go towards 3.4 to a level of 3.5 also, and then can go out of this zone. So chances of touching a level of 3.6 will be there, and once the price sustain above 3.6, we can see there will be a further upside movement. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, if the price started going below $3, then only we can see there will be a further fall. Okay, but probability is higher that as soon as the price started going above a level of 3.3, we can see a further upside movement. Okay, this is the level we have seen a buy situation. Similar pattern is forming here. So we can see if the price sustain above 3.3, we can see there will be a further upside movement. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now let's see how the dollar index is moving. See, I have clearly explained you that dollar index and natural gas both works in this particular zone. So you have to understand when the price of dollar index started going upside, we can see the natural gas price comes down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the natural gas price goes up. This is what we see. Okay, if the price sustain above a level of 106.15, we can see a further upside movement, and once started going above 106.5, we can see a further upside, which is already above this particular level. I already explained you that once the price sustain above a level of 106.5, chances are high it can cross, and now it is already above this level, so we can see a level of 107, and from there a level of 108 also. Okay, because see the similar pattern is forming towards an upside, so chances are very high it can cross a level of 107, and then it can cross a level of 107.5 to a level of 108. This is the buy situation. But if the price started falling below a level of 106.2, a further downfall we can see, and a probability of moving further low we can see, because see, this is the pattern and this is a strong level. So if the price started falling below a level of 106.2, a further fall we can see towards 105.2 to a level of 104.6, and once the price falling below a level of 104.6, we can see a level of 103.4. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, chance of touching a level of 102 also we can see. Again I repeat, if the price started falling below a level of 106.2, chances of touching 104.6 will be there, and then to a level of 10. After 106.2, we can see a level of 105.2 to a level of 104, and then a further downfall we can see. Okay, now coming back again on the natural gas price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are high it can go towards $3.2, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of $3.3. Okay, understand when the price started sustaining above 3.219, chance of going towards 360 will be there, and then a further upside we can see, because this level is already being tested. So chances of touching 3.3 level will be there. So you have to understand, as soon as the price started going up to 3.19, it will cross a level of 3.60, then to a level of 3.74, and this level is already being tested, so chances of touching 3.3 will be there. Okay, and once the price sustain above 3.3, we can see it can cross a level of $3.44, and from there a level of 3.55. Okay, because this is a resistance 2 and resistance 3. After crossing a level of 3.55, a probability of crossing a level of 3.591 will be there, and then it can cross a level of $3.6. Okay, as soon as the price started hitting above a level of 3.6, then a probability of crossing this zone will be there, and then a further upside movement we can see. Okay, but as I've already explained you, market is uncertain. So if the price didn't sustain this particular level, chance of touching a level of further fall we can see. So we can see it can touch a level of 3.16, and then from there a level of 3.85 dollars will be there. As soon as the price started going below this level, chance of touching a further fall we can see, and then it can go towards $3.0502, 3.8, and then from there will be a zone breakout, because see, if you look at this particular zone, chance of touching 2.96 will be there. See, you have to understand, see, this is a small when the quantity is huge, it make a lot of difference. So once the price started falling below 2.96, it can go towards $2.77, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards 2.64. Okay, and once the price moving below this particular level, chances of going towards a level of 2.64 will be there, and then from there a level of around 2.6 $1. Okay, and then if you look at this particular pattern, a further downfall will be there, because see, when the zone breakout happens, chances are very high it can go further fall, or if it moves upside, we can see a further upside. Probability of touching 2.44 will be there, and then from there a further down towards a level of 2.40, and then to a level of $2.04. And if it moves below this level, a further downfall we can see.